and vehicles in truck like bus, BUSES, and trucks and trailer. Correct?
Yeah, more excavator will be there.
ETC. I would say ETC. It is right. I'm keeping it open. And the second is use of DigiSet, because these are different set of equipment. So first is what is aspect? Air pollution. Pollution is aspect. And there are two kind of air pollution. One is SPM and TPM, suspended particulate matter and total particulate matter. Second is noise. We consider noise also here. So air pollution impact is use vehicle mode.
No, this is impact, right? Consequences.
Yeah, I'll put vehicle movement and use of other automotive.
How come this in impact? Impact to okay.
Right, by generating.
NOx and SOx, you put NOx and SOx.
SOx and NOx, right? Generating SOx, NOx, SOx,
and CO.
And CO, CO2, and suspended particulate matter, SPM, ETC, right? ETC, because the dust I'm saying also dust. So this is plant activity or unplanned activity? Planned activity, because without this we cannot work. This is legal, of course. What is even federal law? I can use this one, because even federal law.
You have to the PP or the PPC also, but not acquisition. This is there, right?
Yeah, I think we'll put all.
ST04.
Correct. Okay. Preventive control. What preventive control we have? The first thing is if vehicle is
diesel engine, right? Diesel engine driven almost all the
diesel.
And what are the diesel source?
Is standard.
What are the source? It is no diesel or like it is like low sulfur diesel, right?
Yes, diesel.
Low sulfur diesel.
Yes.
So I know it is there. So by default is low sulfur diesel.
Yeah. Okay, this is unleaded or I mean.
It is low sulfur. Unleaded
low sulfur. So first I will say that maintenance and inspection of the vehicle is there. Low sulfur. Diesel.
Limit the assurance.
Sorry.
Limit the assurance.
Yeah, low sulfur diesel. Use of low sulfur diesel.
This is coming from ADNOC itself or is it?
And you also monitor exhaust?
Diesel.
From their in plant department, they're getting from unknown source and they're
from ADNOC, right?
Okay.
From ADNOC.
I think we should not put the source of diesel. This will be
because sometimes in offshore or something they are bringing the diesel tanker and something is not from other sources.
Okay. Okay. What second point is, do you have PUC like India? We have pollution under control certification.
Control, control certification.
Maintenance inspection. Maintenance inspection. Any legal law like Euro 2, Euro 5, your vehicle